我现在人在 Ferrari Malaysia 的 Service Center， 所以我今天就来尝试当一当 Ferrari 的一天维修员，就是 One Day Technician。所以我刚刚已经把一辆 Tailor-made 全世界只有一辆的70周年纪念的488 GTB 送来这边维修，所以我们今天就来尝试下看 Ferrari 的维修员的体验是怎样。所以我们这边今天我们请到了这个 Ferrari 的专业维修人员，就是 Wong。所以今天Wong就会为我来简单介绍一下，大概一般上 Ferrari 的车主、Ferrari 的顾客把车子送来 Ferrari 的时候，通常 technician 他们会怎样去检查那辆车子
？Basically, we'll take off the wheels because we will check the wheels condition, everything. We jack it halfway, then we will check on the brake pads and the suspension system. Any leakage signs or anything or damage on the brake pads or what, we'll inform the customers that what it need to be replaced. After that, we will need to remove the undercarriage. From there, we only can expose to see the engines, everything, the gearbox. Once the carriage is down, then we have to see any leakage sign on the gearbox, the engine oils. Besides then checking the leakage, we have to see any of the connectors are any loosens. Then we have to check on the belts, if the belt is in good condition or what. So is there any sign of cracks that we need to replace it? There's another one is the drive shaft boot. Sometimes they have deformed. Then this one you need to, when time's up, that you need to replace it. From here, then we're gonna drain the oil. So we're gonna drain the oil, everything. This is for the engine oil. After that, because the gear oil we no need to service because it's still under mileage and the oil is still clean. So once it's done, then we're gonna put down the car. The brake fluid is located here. Then we have to check on the brake fluid to see the brake fluid causes any solid stuff inside the brake fluids. So it seems the brake fluid is in good condition. Then after that, the next one we have to replace the pollen filter. This is for the aircon, for the customer to breathe in better quality. To see the oil level, is it clear or not? The oil level at least must have at the minimum level to indicate the oil is good enough, is still in the requirement level. Other than that, if it's below, we need to top up or we need to check what is it cause. Is there any leakage or anything? And another thing, the power steering oil, we also need to check, is it any oil contamination or is the oil dirty, is the oil enough or not? So if the oil is not enough, we have to see, do we need to top up and stuff like that. Usually we check from a visual to see the coolant is enough or not. So if there's when your finger dip it in, you can feel there's oil at your finger, that means the coolant is enough. So next one, we're going to fix on the tires, check on the tire pressure and the tire tread wear. So before deliver the car to the customer, we need to perform a short test drive to make sure the car is all intact. Once the technicians approve the car is all in good condition, then we'll only send the car to wash, then only will deliver the car to the customer.
感谢Wong为我们的细心讲解，所以现在就换我自己来尝试看一看了。好，我今天已经顺利完成了 Ferrari One Day Technician 一天技术人员的这个任务了。所以透过今天一整天跟 Ferrari 的专业技术人员的相处啊，可以让我更加了解到 Ferrari 是怎么样对待、怎么样处理每一辆他们的新车或者是 Ferrari approved 的二手车。所以你可以看到 Ferrari 他们的技术人员啊，在针对车子的每一项地方进行检查的时候，都是采用一个非常专业的仪器，还有非常专业的态度在处理每一辆车。而且啊，跟马来西亚的总代理，也就是 Naza Italia 购买 Ferrari 车子的好处就是，每一个车主都能够享有长达7年的 free maintenance， 也就是7年的定期免费维修保养服务啊。这个是在市场上面算是很少有车厂可以给到你这么长的一个free maintenance 的计划了。除此之外 ，Ferrari Approved 二手车认证计划的车子都必须经过190项检查才能取得认证，包括最重要的验证来源和以往的 Genuine Service History 原厂维修记录。再来 ，Naza Italia 也提供 Ferrari Genuine Accessory 原厂配件目录，让每一位 Ferrari 车主都可以根据本身的偏好和需求，找到适合自己的特定配件或者是定制项目。 所以无论是新车还是 Ferrari Approved Car、Ferrari Malaysia 都能够给到你一个非常全面的售后服务。所以如果你还想要进一步了解更多关于 Ferrari Malaysia 的 After Sales Service， 还有他们的这些 Service Center 的详情，你可以找 Naza Italia 洽询。